Are you looking for family fun in Mesa? If so, I've got the event for you. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So I started Mercie J Auto Care, which was Rick Smith Auto Care at the time, in September of 1995. And I think one of the greatest things about it is we have the greatest clients on the planet. So we are having our 30th anniversary Client Appreciation Day. It's on September 20th from 10 to 2. And it's going to be like a carnival here down at the shop. So first of all, if you've ever noticed our car here, it's a fun little carnival car. It was from Gasoline Alley in Knott's Berry Farm in California. So kids of all ages are going to be able to drive it. We're going to have tons of games like cornhole, basketball, bowling, little boat race. There's going to be projects for the kids, some fun little projects for them to do. There's going to be face painting. There's going to be snow cones. And then one of the things that we are a little bit famous for is we will have our epic Hot Wheel track out. There's going to be, the kids will be able to play on that track all day. We will have a short period of time where we actually will have an actual official race. You will be able to put your tickets into kind of a bet on which car is going to win. And if you win that, there's some grand prizes, like we have a dash cam, we have some Wegos, which are jump starter boxes, toaster oven. We also have, I can't remember. There's a ton of prizes though that we're going to be giving out as well. We're also going to have food. So we're going to have barbecue from Big Nate's. So that's delicious. That's going to be great. So food, fun, prizes, all free event. Once again, September 20th, 10 to 2. One last thing. If you have a cool car, we'd love for you to bring it, because we'd kind of like everybody who wants to show their car off. We'll have an area for all those to be shown off as well. So save that date. Make sure you show up. It's a ton of fun. And I think it's just going to be a great day for your family and no cost to you. Thanks for watching. Till next time, safe travels and blessings to you.